Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best LED strip lights is probably one of the most versatile and transformative lighting solutions available today, capable of adding ambience, functionality, and a touch of modern flair to any space, from accentuating architectural features and illuminating cabinets to creating dynamic mood lighting for entertainment areas or even providing practical task lighting where needed, making them an increasingly popular choice for homeowners and designers alike seeking to enhance their living environments with customizable and energy-efficient illumination. Number 5. Govee White LED Strip Light 16.4 feet. Experience incredibly bright lighting with improved color quality. These lights can easily illuminate any corner of your room, cabinets, or mirrors. Easily adjust the brightness to suit any occasion or decoration. Simply use the control box to dim or brighten the lights to your preferred level. Installation is a breeze. Just stick it onto a clean surface and trim to size if needed. Strong adhesives and included clips ensure it stays securely in place. At 16.4 feet long, it's flexible enough to fit various locations. Enjoy brighter lighting wherever you desire, from your bedroom to kitchen cabinets. Designed with safety in mind, it operates at a low voltage and features built-in protection. It produces minimal heat, making it safe to touch. These lights are ideal for enhancing the ambience of your mirrors, cabinets, bedrooms, and are perfect for Christmas decorations. What we like. If you're looking for a bright, clean white light, this is a fantastic option. Its dimmable feature allows you to set the perfect ambience for any occasion, from task lighting in the kitchen to a relaxing glow in the bedroom. The strong adhesive ensures it stays put, making it ideal for mirrors, cabinets, or even Christmas decor. What people say. The lights are very bright and the colors are vibrant. Easy to install and the adhesive is strong. The remote control is intuitive and offers a wide range of color options and effects. Number 4. KANTUTOE 16.4 feet LED TV Lights. Experience a spectrum of 16 million colors to perfectly match any mood or setting. These lights enhance your visual experience, whether for your bedroom, gaming, or home theater. Effortlessly control your lighting experience through our intuitive mobile app. Connect via Bluetooth to explore various modes and activate music synchronization. Watch as the lights dance to the beat of your favorite music. The built-in microphone syncs the colors with audio, creating a dynamic and immersive atmosphere for any occasion. Perfect for living rooms, home theaters, and holiday decorations. The low heat, 5V USB power makes them a safe and versatile choice for enhancing any space. Easily outfit your 45 to 75-inch TV with this 16.4-foot strip. Strong, unique foam adhesive ensures a secure and lasting fit, illuminating every corner. What we like. For those who love to set a mood and immerse themselves in entertainment, this is the one. The vibrant RGB colors and music sync feature create a dynamic atmosphere perfect for gaming, movie nights, or parties. If you want to transform your TV area into an engaging visual experience, this is your go-to choice. What people say. The lights are very bright and the colors are vibrant. Easy to install and set up, comes with adhesive tape. App control allows for a wide range of color options and effects. Number 3. LAFULIT Under Cabinet Lighting Kit. Introducing a versatile lighting solution designed to illuminate your space. With multiple connectors and flexible strips, you can create the perfect lighting setup for any area. Set the mood with adjustable brightness levels. Choose from 6 different settings to achieve the perfect warm white glow for any occasion. Manage your lights with ease using the included remote or the convenient mini dimmer. Turn them on or off, adjust brightness, and set timers effortlessly. Never worry about leaving the lights on. Set the timer for automatic shut-off and enjoy the convenience of memory function that recalls your preferred settings. Installation is a breeze with the strong self-adhesive backing. Perfect for kitchens, cabinets, shelves, desks, and more, transforming any space in minutes. These lights are designed to fit seamlessly into various spaces. Illuminate your kitchen cabinets, shelves, desks, and even accent your TV area with ease. What we like. If you need to illuminate multiple areas with a cozy, warm glow, this kit is ideal. The multiple pre-cut strips and connectors offer great flexibility for kitchens, cabinets, or shelves. Its timer function adds convenience, making it perfect for those who want subtle, automated lighting. What people say. The lights are very bright and the colors are vibrant. Easy to install and the adhesive is strong. The remote control works well and has many color options. Number 2. DAYBETTER White LED Strip Light 40 feet. Introducing the DAYBETTER White LED Strip Light. These 40-foot lights provide bright, daylight white illumination to enhance any room. Easily adjust the brightness to suit any mood or occasion. Create the perfect atmosphere with simple controls. Installation is a breeze. Just ensure the surface is clean and dry for a secure fit. Need a specific length? These lights are flexible and cuttable between LED segments to perfectly match your space. With a safe 24-volt system, they are ideal for various indoor applications, from bedrooms to kitchens and mirrors. This package includes two 20-foot rolls, giving you a total of 40 feet of brilliant lighting. What we like. If you have a larger space to cover or want the flexibility of two separate installations, this 40-foot option is excellent. It provides ample bright daylight white light for extensive areas like living rooms or multiple cabinets. If you need a long-lasting, high-quality white light solution for a bigger project, consider this. What people say. The lights are very bright and the colors are vibrant. Easy to install and the adhesive is strong. The remote control works well and has many options. Number 1. DAYBETTER White LED Strip Light. Illuminate any dark room, cabinet, mirror, or corner with our bright LED strip light. It features 360 high-quality LEDs and a cool 6500 K color temperature for vibrant lighting. Easily control the ambience of your space with its dimmable feature. Adjust the brightness to your preference for any occasion using the convenient control box. Setting up your new lighting is a breeze. Just peel and stick the adhesive tape to any clean, dry surface for a secure and lasting installation. Need a specific length? You can easily cut this strip light to fit your unique DIY home lighting projects. Simply cut along the designated marks between LEDs. With a safe 24-volt working voltage, this lighting solution is perfect for a wide range of indoor applications. Enhance your bedroom, kitchen, or any other space with its versatile use. What we like. For standard room lighting needs, this 20-foot strip offers a great balance of brightness and convenience. It's perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, or accent lighting around mirrors. If you're looking for a straightforward, dimmable white light that's easy to install and customize, this is a solid choice. What people say. The lights are very bright and have a wide range of colors. Easy to install and set up, the adhesive is strong. The remote control works well and has many functions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.